How to allow or don't allow making changes to speaker volume limit on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now in here, we then scroll down and then tap on Speaker Volume Limit. So tap on that. And from here, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. Now, when you are making a change to the settings, it may ask you to enter in a screen time passcode. So do so when it asks you. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.